Hi there. Are you looking to get your Libra man back? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks to help you win back the heart of a Libra man. Tip 1. Show your independence. One of the key traits of a Libra man is that they love someone who is independent and confident. If you want to show your Libra man that you're still the confident, self-assured person he fell for, make sure to continue pursuing your own interests and hobbies. Tip 2. Communicate effectively. Libras value communication and appreciate a partner who can express themselves clearly and effectively. Make sure to be open and honest with your Libra man about your feelings, and listen to his side of the story as well. Tip 3. Be romantic. Libras are romantic at heart and love to be swept off their feet. So, show your Libra man that you're still the romantic partner he fell for by doing sweet gestures like leaving a love note or cooking his favorite meal. Tip 4. Be patient. Libras need time to process their emotions and make decisions. So, be patient and give your Libra man the space he needs to figure things out. Tip 5. Show appreciation. Libras love to be appreciated and admired. So, make sure to compliment your Libra man and show him how much you appreciate him. And that's it. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to winning back the heart of a Libra man. Remember, every relationship is unique, so be open, be honest, and most of all, be yourself. Good luck.